change is blowing in, where the change is blowing in. Keep your head up, mama, for your life to rearrange. Keep your eyes peeled, sweetheart, for the cool summer rain, where the change is blowing in, where the change is blowing in, with your sun now shining, your dreams have turned up in space, with the one beside you has carried you through pain, where the change is blowing in, where the change is blowing in.
We are Old Sound from Kansas City. We are an acoustic trio consisting of 3 lifelong friends who are all passionate about music. We are in the process of recording our very first full-length studio album. We've been working on the project since July, and we're almost finished. We still have to mix, master, and press the album. We're hoping to raise money to help pay for the album's completion. And that's where you come in. We've put together, through Kickstarter, a list of rewards, ways for you to contribute and for us to give you something back in return. For starters, a copy of the album, handmade posters and special gadgetry, us performing live for you. We'll even write your song. So from all of us at Old Sound, we'd like to thank you for your time and generosity, and hopefully we'll see you soon.
Is blowing in, where the change